Ever wondered how to get your website to the top of the search results? The secret lies in effective keyword research. Keywords serve as bridges, connecting your content to your potential audience. By knowing the right keywords, your website can rank higher. But how do you find these golden keywords? Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, understanding your niche is crucial. It's about grasping the market, knowing your audience, and recognizing the competition. Tools like Google Trends can shed light on market trends, helping identify potential keywords. Once you have a good understanding of your niche, you can move to the next step. Next, equip yourself with a reliable keyword research tool. These tools are vital in pinpointing high-volume, low-competition keywords, the golden nuggets of SEO. There are numerous options from Google Keyword Planner to SEMrush, offering unique features. With the right tools and understanding, you're well on your way to mastering keyword research. But what if you could get all this done professionally, saving you time and effort? Enter Authority Solutions, your trusted partner for comprehensive SEO services, including keyword research. With a proven track record of success, they've got the expertise to elevate your website. So why not give Authority Solutions a try? Let us take your website to the top of the search results. Ready to boost your online presence? Try out these keyword research tips, or let Authority Solutions handle your SEO needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Remember, the right keywords can take you to the right audience, so start your keyword research today.